Students, chapter first, part 2 for 8th standard, internet and intranet. Internet and intranet are the two types of application from which computer gets the networking process. Internet is the networking process for worldwide. Computers out of the world also can access that network is called internet. An intranet is a private network which only the organization or a company or a MNC company or any office provider it uses for its office use or its organizational use, that is called intranet. Networking devices. There are many types of networking devices. First is network interface card, NIC. This is also known as LAN card or Ethernet card. It is the most important component of the network. It allows a computer to participate in the network. Information is transmitted or received through NIC connected to the computer. The card, the NIC, Internet Network Interface Card, which we connect, computer get the network from that card only. Hub. Hub is a central hardware device that manages flow of data across the network. Hub is an box type of internet network provider system, that is called hub. Switch. It is just like an hub only. It manages the flow of information among the computer and devices connected to it. A switch is considered advanced than hub. It is more advanced than hub. Assume that if hub connects 4 computers, then switch connects 18 or 20 computers. It is used. Router. This network device is used to route the data across the different parts of network when the computer are connected in wide area network. Router is for wide area network like worldwide network process. Connector. A connector is used to join two computer or network through a wired medium. RJ45 is an 8-wire connector used to connect LANs. Connector is used in local area network. It is an mostly used part, that is for networking process, that is connector. Transmission media. Transmission media is the communication channel through which the information of the network is transferred. We can transfer with the help of transmission media. It has the types of transmission media: axial cable, twist pair cable, and optical fiber cable. There are 3 types of transmission media. Axial cable has a single rod type cable for 4 layers. A solid copper wire runs in the middle of the cable. Axial cable is hardly used these days. It is very old networking, very old cable used. Nowadays we don't use that cable. Twist pair cable. It is twisting in 4 pairs of insulated copper wires. Because of twist between the 2 wires, it reduces the electromagnetic interferences. Optical fiber cables. This is the plastic or glass fibers. Signals in these cables are carried in the form of light. We have the light process in optical fiber cable. And Bluetooth. Everyone know Bluetooth is in computer also and in laptop also. It is an fastest used in and short range wireless communication, messaging provider, video calls and everything. It is an personal area network. PAN. If use example for PAN, Bluetooth is the first example for personal area network. Infrared. This is a short range of wireless communication technology in which infrared lights is used to the data from one device to another. We see the use of this technology in the remote areas, mostly remote control units of TVD and TVs and everything. Electronic parts viewed. Infrared. Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is the way of connecting to a computer network using radio waves. Instead of wires, Wi-Fi is a form of low-power wireless communication used by many electronic devices such laptops, smartphones, set-top box, wireless routers. Everywhere you can see Wi-Fi, how the Wi-Fi is used. It is a long-distance wireless communication technology which uses the high-frequency microwaves to establish network connections. It is called Wi-Fi. Network topology. There are three types of network topology. First is star topology, ring topology, and burst topology. What is network topology? The way of connecting different computers in a network is called a topology. And for start, in that three types, first is the star topology. In a star topology, all the nodes are connected to a central system called switch, which forward data towards its destination. Now, ring topology. In a ring topology, all the nodes are connected in a closed loop. Each device is connected in the other two on either side. Data travels only one direction in a ring. Each component passes the data to the next one. In ring topology, first computer passed its data to second passes its data to third, and third passes to fourth. It's like system, the very useful and reliable system used. Third is burst topology. Burst topology, all the nodes are connected to a central cable called bus. It is connected to a main cable. Transmission from any mode travels the length of the bus in both direction and can be received by all other nodes. The bus has transmitted at either ends with prevent bouncing of signals. This is it. In burst topology, it travels the network in burst type of sources: first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Last is protocol. Protocol defines rules for communication between network devices. TCP/IP is a protocol used as a standard for transmitting data over the internet. TCP stands Transmission Control Protocol. IP stands for Internet Protocol. And last but not the least, HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It is also used to transfer images and photos and videos on huge range. This is your completion of first chapter.